Today in this video, I'll be showing you two of the shortcuts in Postman that you can actually use to increase your productivity. The first one is this built-in variable. Alright, so this one is random email, and this built-in variable can be used while working with emails, like for example in your registering APIs. Right, so instead of putting some lengthy emails each time you send a request, you can just put this variable with these two curly braces. You can actually generate new email each time of the request. All right, and for this inbuilt variables of Postman, you don't have to set anything. You can just put this code and then it'll work fine. All right, and you can also check some other cool some cool built-in variables by simply adding these two braces. And if you see here, there's so many cool built-in variables of Postman that you can actually use. All right, now another one is custom environment variables. Like for example, when we're working with APIs, then we have to put the domain over here, right? So instead of putting http localhost 5000 or something else each time when working with so many APIs, which will be very time consuming, you can just put some short variable name, right? And then use that each time you send request, right? And for that, what you have to do is go to the environment tab, and inside here you'll have to create a new folder. As of now, I already have this, right? But I'll have to delete it first so that I can show you. So all you have to do is go to this environment tab and create environment, give it a name. Let's go with mer, and here just need to put the name you want to give to the URL, and initial value will be localhost 5000, and same one, and then you'll have to save it by Control S, and have to go to the API. And then if you see here, it's not active because I've not set the custom environment variable, so I'll have to set it, and it should work now. All right, so if I test it, it should work as expected. And this kind of custom environment is also helpful when you're working with so many other use cases, like when you're working with token, right? So instead of putting the lengthy string each time, you can just make environment variable as token and then use it every time when you're working with tokens. And that's it for this video. Hope you find it helpful, and if you find it helpful, please like and subscribe this channel, and I'll be coming back with so many other cool tutorials regarding web development. And until then, have a great day.